Hey guys, welcome to this video. Gladly I've got my microphone back, so I hope it's much better quality and sound as my previous tutorials too, I thought. But anyway, I am going to show in this video how you can use your own custom extension like .gnbjbnk or something to run your application and use that data in that file. So I'm just going to open up a project. Beware, that is going to be a forms application. I did 2 previous videos about this, and I didn't upload them. They were all part 1 because it's containing more parts. It's just no way I can put this in one part or in one video, but I had to remake it twice. First because it was crappy and everything was confused and stuff, and the second one I had to cancel because the sound quality it just sucked so hard, so you can barely hear me. So I hope you can hear me right now. So as you already saw, I added a text box. I'm going to change the name to log or log, and go to the scroll bars and appearance. Let's do none, just none, and behavior is going to be read only, true, so the user can't edit the text at himself. So whenever I'm going to debug this program and trying to type in, I just can't type anything in, so that is just for, I don't know, but it's just more better or something. So just a quick video about using this. So I'm applying this, so the text of that will be shown up here. So let's first begin with the beginnings of all the things behind opening your program with your own extension, because that needs a lot of confusion in the registry, and I'm going to do this in part 2 or 3, I think. Yeah, no, I know 2. This part, either way, is going to cover whenever the program is going to be called with anything in his command line arguments, meaning that whenever you drop a file on it, so it will run, it will get up the file path, and then I'm going to use that file path to read it. So it's pretty stupid. I'm going to say this one to you right away. When you need to put one quote in a string and it only contains one quote, so let's do my str, let's do dim my str as string equals, and you want this string containing only one quote, because we're going to use this later. If you want this string only containing one quote, you need to put in 2 quotes into the string itself. So it's actually, you're putting 4 quotes behind each other, but it will output as 1 quote, as stupidly enough. It's very important because the command line argument or the command line is returning a string with those quotes, and when you're trying to you can run it using the process.start, but when you're trying to use the io.streamReader, you'll get an error, so you have to replace them with nothing, so it will read only you will get only the path. So I'm going to type in dim arguments as string equals command. Really easy. I'm going to use temp str as a string equals to arguments dot replace. Here it comes, 4 quotes, comma 2 quotes, meaning that it will replace every single quote with nothing. Really important, actually. So now we're going to check how this has to be cutted. So Control X, because maybe this argument is empty. So we're going to check that by using the if statement, using if and then arguments equals string.empty, meaning I thought this also, when it's only having spaces, it will also show up as empty. So I'm just going to write in the log with plus equals. It's actually the same log.text equals log.text plus, but this is just a lot shorter. So then I'm going to show that there is no dropped on file dropped file found. I think it's spelled right at least. So, and now we're going to use else for if it is containing something, then declaring this, which I just copied using Control V, and then using the declaring something sr as new system.io.streamReader, and then it's going to be temp str. Now let's do log plus equals no quotes, just sr.read to end, so to read all the file. Log.text, of course. Now we want to close sr, otherwise you'll get some errors. You probably should put this one in a try thing, so and try, so it will try it and catch ex as exception. So whenever there is going to be a fault error, log.text is going to be plus equals ex.toString. So you probably want to add a and vbcrlf behind it, maybe not, but it's not a need, so I just leave it like this. So let's check it out. Let's run it where it is, because we need to debug it and compile it, and when you press debug it will compile it automatically. And as you can see, no drops file found, so I already checked that. And let's wait to compile to load. Let's open up File Explorer using your normal Explorer, I think. Let's get into the bin and then debug, and here you see the program, and let's here see some XAML file, so let's drop it into, and see it's just showing you this, meaning that this file is containing that stuff, and it's true, as you can see. So I'm going to change something through too, so go to project and then file association, or actually your project name is in there. You will see application, which you can't see right now. Now you can. You'll see your icon and then default icon. You want to go to browse and browse to some of your icons. Let's see which one we are going to use. Let's do this destruction icon. So closing the start page right now. It's actually pretty late or something, but okay, it doesn't matter. So compile it again and go back to your file, and here you can see that is changed icon. That it's going to be into the video too, because the file which you wanna associate with your extension, or when you have a file with your extension, you have to give it an icon. So that's going to be the icon of this program. So I'm covering this stuff in registries in my second part. So thanks for watching this video. Feel free to comment, rate, subscribe, or email me. My email address is at the description of the video. So thanks for watching again, and I'll catch you later, and probably in the second part.